Hi, in this video we are going to be starting off with the chapter logs and exponential function. In this video we are going to first cover logarithms to the base 10. Now I'll introduce you to what logs is. Consider the exponential function f of x equals to 10 to the power of x. The graph of 10 to the power of x is given over here. Now if we closely observe, 10 to the power of 1 has a value of 10 and 10 to the power of 2 has a value of 100. So at 1 we were getting 10 and at x equals to 2, 10 to the power of 2 the value comes out to be 100. Now if you want to solve 10 to the power of x equals to 30, then the y value is 30. This indicates that the x value must be between 1 and 2. So x must be between 1 and 2. Now using the graph we can have an approximate value. So this value comes out to be around 1.48. So 10 to the power of 1.48 will give us a value equals to 30. That's the y value. Now there is a function that gives the value of x directly. So, and that function is called the logarithmic function. So if 10 to the power of x is equals to 30 and we need to figure out the value of x, then we can write this exponential equation into the log form by writing x equals to log of base 10 of 30, and this value expression can be calculated from the calculator. By using the calculator we are going to get log 10 of 30 as 1.477 up to 4 significant figures. So the rule is that if y is equal to 10 to the power of x, then x the power is equals to log to the base 10 of y. This can be read as log 10 of y is basically the power, since it's equal to x, which was the power. So I can say that log 10 of y is the power that x, that 10 must be raised in order to obtain y. For example, log to the base 10 of 100 is equals to 2. So if I want to convert from this log form to the exponential form, the base is 10. 10 must be raised to the power of 2 and the answer is going to be equal to 100. Let's consider the graph of 10 to the power of x and log 10 to the log 10 of x. So y equals to 10 to the power of x, that is our exponential equation. If we try to make x the subject by converting this exponential equation into the log form, we are going to get the inverse of the exponential function, which is y equals to log 10 of x. So these two are basically inverse of each other. They are inverse function, and we have studied this in the function chapter, that the function and the inverse function are basically reflection of each other in the line y equals to x. So y equals to 10 to the power of x and log of to the base 10 of x are reflection of each other in the line y equals to x. If this is our function, then the inverse function expression is going to be log 10 of x. Let's consider this example. In the first part, we need to convert 10 to the power of x equals to 45 to log form. So 10 to the power of x equals to 45 is the exponential form. We need to convert this into the log form. We are going to apply logs on both the sides. So log to the base 10 what we can do is we can convert this into the log form directly by taking log, the base is 10, so log to the base 10 of 45 will be equal to the power, that is x. In the second part, we need to solve this equation. Solving equation means solving for the unknown value, and over here the unknown value is x. So if you want to solve 10 to the power of x equals to 45, and we have converted this into the log form. The log form from the first part was x is equal to log to the base 10 of 45. We can use our calculator to evaluate the answer. Log 10 of 45 is 1.65. It's around 1.65. So that's the working. Let's consider another example. Convert log 10 of x equals to 2.9. Now in the first part, we have been given the log form and we have to convert this into the exponential form. Log to the base 10 of x is equals to 2.9. This means that 10 is the base, it must be raised to the power of 2.9, and the answer is going to be equal to x. So x is equals to 10 to the power of 2.9. That is the exponential form. Now in the second part, we need to solve this equation. So we can use the result from the first part, that is x is equals to 10 to the power of 2.9, and we can use our calculator to evaluate the final result. 10 to the power of 2.9 is roughly around 794. Thank you for watching this video.